All right, ICT traders, let's take a look at this. So this particular week, I've traded both currency pairs, I've traded cryptocurrencies, and I've traded commodities because the week has just been so haywire for a lot of currencies. On Monday, I took a trade. I got stopped out on GBP USD. So I decided to trade crypto using ICT concepts. All right, I want to show you one of the trades I took right here on SHIB 1000 on Bybit. It's important I tell you the platform. If you want to register with Bybit, or if you are interested in trading cryptos are the same thing with asset classes. You see the price action is almost the same thing. So I trade most of these meme coins, and if I trade them, I use the same ICT concepts I use in trading foreign currencies. All right, so let me show you a particular example of a trade right here. So I saw this trade, I think day before yesterday. That was on Monday. On Monday, I took the trade, and then I end up getting stopped out, and I saw this particular trade on SHIB 1000 on Bybit. You can find it on Bybit. This is it. It's important I tell you the platform, so you can register with Bybit with the link in the description. So this is it. Price has just been moving up. I saw this massive push up, and then I was watching it. I saw price reach this area, the highest point here. All right, the highest point there. That particular move actually caught my attention. I said, okay, give me a shift in market structure. I want to try ICT concept with that. And then I saw a shift in market structure right there. You see, that was a market structure shift. I said, perfect. Okay, so the highest level price reached was there. Shift in market structure came in here, and it gave you what? A very, very visible mitigation block. This is a bearish mitigation block. Those of you who are trading ICT concept, you should know that that is a mitigation block. When you see price does this, so if price comes back to the area, it means you should go bearish. It is as simple as that. I was watching the trade and using reversal strategy, guys. You can bring in different confluences. Price came in here, I saw this drop. I said, okay, perfect, come back to this area, and then I will sell. I will take the sell. I entered that particular trade here. All right, and then my stop loss was just right above there. I said, okay, give me a better move, and then I'll close this trade right here. I targeted this place below this liquidity area. Let me show you this place. I said, this is where I want to close that particular trade. This particular trade gave me almost $700 on the trade. I entered here, price just did this, and boom, it started coming down. It respected this mitigation block, and then if you observed carefully, there is a fair value gap also. This particular fair value gap, it's important you watch it that way. So that is the importance of this, and this is what ICT calls the unicorn entry strategy, when you have a confluence of a breaker or a mitigation block with a fair value gap coinciding in that particular area. So price, boom, it came here. A simple reversal strategy after pushing, sweeping on the liquidity below here, pushing right here. I saw another shifting structure here, even though I did not take this one. It's a simple strategy that you can see time and again and again and again. So this, please, I saw price came here, reversed here again. So I didn't take this one, but it's also a very nice trade entry. Look at this. You can see the fair value gap, right? A very, very nice trade entry to go bullish again. Fair value gap inside here. And obviously your stop loss should be here, and your target, I want to target somewhere here if I were to take that particular trade. Okay, so look at what price did. It actually went boom to that area. Now look at another thing that is happening. It's very simple. Guys, you can try it. Go to any of the meme coins, or even if you're trading, BTC, Ethereum, any of the cryptocurrencies, you can check it right there. And then guys, if you want to stay ahead of the economic news, to take track of all the political and economic news, both on Forex or crypto, you can do well to check fastbull.com. I use fastbull.com for all my fundamental analysis, especially now that the US election is approaching and a lot of vacillation is coming in, regulations in different financial sectors. You can find them right on fastbook.com. You can see this is where you can get the 247 macroeconomic news, where all the things are happening. You can see them each minute, each hour, each second. If there is any global news you will need to watch, is going to be right here. You see a lot of it right here. And then right here there is the economic calendar, where all the countries' currencies, there is going to be a global economic news. If there's going to be any major economic news in a particular country or a particular region or territory, you're going to see it right here on fastbook.com. You see the data, the country. You can actually filter it right here. When you come to screen, you can see different countries. All you need to do is to untick and tick the ones you want, so that you can have the accurate news. If you're trading any exotic currency, there is news also there. If you're trading the majors, you can also find it there. So the last one is the AI signal. Those of you who are trading Forex, you can actually generate AI signals here. These signals are generated by an AI, so you can actually see what is happening there. So it's important you pay attention to what is happening on this aspect of trading. That is the fundamental aspect. So this is what is happening. So when price came here, look at what happened. For instance, now let me show you the reversal strategy, or the simple strategy you're trading crypto with. If you come to the 1 hour time frame, I saw another one. Look at this. You see, a breaker and a mitigation block is so powerful for crypto. A shifting structure, the same pattern I saw, the same pattern, a fair value gap. And what do you have? You have this guy, you know, a confluence right there. Well, I would prefer to say this one, because this becomes the last bearish candle that price have printed. So price actually traded into it, and you can actually see that it started crashing. So it's a nice thing to sell from here and allow price to go lower. So you can check any cryptocurrency. Let's say ETH, USDT. You can also see it there. All right. I use Bybit for my trading because they are the best actually out there. They are the best. You can have MT4 for Bybit is also there. You can check them. The link is in the description of this particular video. You can simply click on it. So the reason why I don't trade all these Ethereum BTC is because there is so much manipulation in them. But you see these small meme coins, this 1000 something, you see this one and that one, like this particular one. I traded this one too, and I made some money. So these ones, they are very easy to trade. You can see them, you know, they follow your normal ICT concept. You see shifting market structure, return to a region boom, shifting structure, return to a region boom. You see a lot of that. But my favorite among them is this particular one called SHIB 1000. All right. It's very easy for me. I've made $700 so far trading it, and you can try it, guys, and see. And if you find it helpful, make sure you give this video a like, and remember to subscribe and turn the bell notification. Thank you guys for watching. See you in another video.